All right, new law school students. In this video, I want to share with you the steps on how to create a case summary in ChatGPT in a safe and responsible way. Now, before we jump into ChatGPT, I wanted to take you through the process that I'll be demonstrating today, and I have that outlined on the slide. The reason why I just want to pause for a moment and explain why I'm using this particular process is because I don't want to breach any privacy laws. I don't want to breach any copyright laws, intellectual property laws. I don't want to cause any problems or issues for other law students. And as you will no doubt learn during your legal studies and your own research around particularly generative AI, you will learn that there are many risks associated with using these tools. I have already done step one, which is where I've gone to the High Court of Australia website and I have gone to where they publish and release their judgments, and I have downloaded a particular case from their website. So it is open source information to the public. And I will not be using in this demonstration, say for example, a CLR report. I am unable to do that because that is copyright owned by Thomson Reuters. And so that is not something that I feel at liberty and would not be appropriate for me to do in this video. So step one, I've accessed a case that is available to the public and I've saved that to my desktop. In step two, I'll be entering in a prompt and then I'll be uploading the case document that I downloaded from the HCA website, and I will be asking ChatGPT to only look at that information in the attached document and provide a case summary based only on that data. So I do not want it to be going out to the broader data sets and just collecting any information that it can find on the relevant case that I've uploaded. And then, of course, in step three, it's always imperative that once you've used any of these tools, that you need to go back and check the information. All right, let's hop into ChatGPT and enter in our prompt. I'll assume that you've already got access to ChatGPT and you've logged in. You might need to click on the top left-hand corner on the new chat icon. Otherwise, we are ready to go. I'm going to enter in a fairly vague prompt and let's see what it produces. Please provide a case summary, or some may call a case brief, based on the attached document. Ensure that you use only the information provided in the attached document. Now we click on the plus icon to upload my case document that I downloaded previously. Here we go. You may need to wait a moment for it to attach properly. Excellent. I think that's attached now, and we just hit the black go button. Let's have a quick look and see what information it provided. All right, so we've got the case citation up the top, so that's great. It's provided a heading of facts, which is fantastic. The procedural history, the issue, the legal issue. I just want to check what it's got there. Does an inexperienced, unlicensed driver owe the same standard of care as an experienced, licensed driver, particularly to a supervising passenger? So that's good to see there because I know that was the main legal issues in that case. And it's got a holding heading. I think the term holding is more of a US-based term. In Australia, we tend to use either decision or held. So sometimes the language might be a little bit different. So that's interesting. The High Court overruled Cook and Cook, holding that all drivers, including learner drivers, owe the same standard of care to passengers and other road users. Yes, that's correct. So let's see what else it's got. A reasoning heading. So that's great. Talks in more detail about Cook, the disposition, and the significance. This case reaffirms that the standard of care in negligence is an objective one, ensuring consistency in how liability is assessed for all drivers regardless of experience. It overruled Cook. So, look, I think that's a pretty good start for developing a case summary. It's not fantastic, but I think it's a really good start, and it's put it into simple language. So if I'm a fairly new law student, it's in language that I can get my head around pretty easily. As I mentioned in my slide, always go back and review the information that ChatGPT has provided you and check and verify that against your appropriate authorized sources. So there we have it, a nice short video on how to create a case summary using ChatGPT. I'll see you next time.